Looking for a super healthy and unique breakfast idea? This power-packed meal with avocado, oats, and veggies is a must-try. First, I took one fresh avocado, peeled off the outer skin carefully, and then cut it into small, bite-sized pieces. The texture was so creamy and perfect. I kept the avocado pieces aside for later use. Next, I opened my oats container, removed the plastic seal from the top, and took out exactly 1 cup of oats. Then, I added the oats into a bowl of water, gave them a quick rinse, and immediately drained all the water properly. I didn't soak them for too long. Just a quick wash to clean them nicely. After that, I kept the oats aside. Then I sealed the oats container properly, closed the lid tightly to keep it fresh, and placed it back neatly in its place. Now, I moved to the cooking part. I placed a pan on the gas stove and added some mustard oil into it. I let the oil heat up slightly, so it brings out that strong, authentic flavor. Now, I added some mixed seeds to the pan, a healthy blend of different seeds for that extra nutrition. Then, I added a little cumin seeds and let them crackle nicely in the oil. After that, I added finely chopped garlic first and sautéed it for a few seconds until the aroma became rich and flavorful. Next, I added chopped onions, followed by fresh carrots and chopped cucumber. I mixed everything really well, making sure all the veggies were evenly combined. Then, I added a pinch of turmeric powder and gave it another good mix to bring in that beautiful color and health benefits. I let everything cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, just enough to keep the vegetables slightly crunchy. After that, I added the oats that I had rinsed and lightly soaked earlier. They had become soft and nicely hydrated, which made them perfect for cooking. I added the oats into the pan and mixed everything thoroughly, so all the flavors blended together beautifully. Then, I added about half a cup of peanuts, which I had already roasted, and removed the skins. Finally, I mixed everything really well again, so the crunch of peanuts and the softness of oats came together perfectly. Once everything was cooked nicely, I mixed it all one last time to make sure all the flavors were perfectly combined. Then, I turned off the flame and transferred the mixture into a serving bowl. On top of it, I added the freshly cut avocado pieces that I had prepared earlier. Then, I placed some blueberries on top, adding a nice pop of color and a hint of sweetness. After that, I squeezed half a lemon over it because a little lemon juice makes the taste even more fresh and delicious. You can enjoy this healthy breakfast just like this, or you can also pair it with some fresh curd and turn it into a tasty chaat-style meal. Especially in summer, having it with curd makes it even more cooling, refreshing, and super satisfying. Healthy, colorful, and full of flavor, this breakfast is perfect for a fresh start to your day. Don't forget to try it and follow for more healthy recipes.